Hello everyone, review our old tutorial. I make two blooming flower. One using this crepe paper. And the other one I use this organza fabric. But I don't satisfy with them because this organza fabric is very transparent. The color is light. And this crepe paper make frictional sound very noisy. So today I took this tutorial, use another material to make the blooming flower and check the effect. First of all, let's check the material. This is a type of paper. So today I will use this paper to make the blooming flower. Let's check this paper. It looks a little bit transparent, but compared with the organza, it looks not so transparent as the organza fabric, and it's not so noisy as the crepe paper. Look, listen. So let's use this paper to make the blooming flower and check the effect. I take 6 paper because the blooming flower is 6 petals each layer. Okay, let's cut out the petal. I first skip this procedure because I already showed it step by step on my old tutorial. If you are interested, you can watch my old video. I will slow down to explain if there's something different to my old procedure. Now stick 3 iron wire on the petal with hot glue. Okay, look, there's something different to making with the fabric. We don't need to use the fire to make the fabric. Just create the paper to make the sweat. Okay, look. Then bend the iron wire to make the petal shape. Then stick 3 sides of the petal to make a group. Look, I make 6 groups of the petal. Okay, take our blooming machine. About the flower center, since I already showed you how to make it, and I don't repeat on this tutorial, let's direct install the petal. Okay, then insert the iron wire to the machine to assemble the petal. Then bend every petal to make the flower shape. Look, the flower completed. Let's check the effect. Look at this, the color and the transparency of the paper. And now, listen. The frictional sound, a little bit sound, not much. This flower made of this paper. Look, this paper. Okay, now this is the flower made of this organza fabric. So the color a little pale and transparent. Listen. Look, listen. There's no friction sound. Just a little machine voice. Okay, let's check this flower made of this crepe paper. And listen. The frictional voice a little bit louder. Okay, look, I put all the flower together so we can check the difference. Look, this made of crepe paper. And this is the make of the paper on this tutorial. And this made of thin organza. This is the difference. So which flower you like? And okay, power on the machine. So let's check the effect. I used 2 machines to make the blooming flower, so you can check the difference. And now we are selling this type of the machine.